160 pounds. So he will have no problem crushing today's competition. But his story actually starts when he was a whole lot younger and a whole lot smaller. In fact, when Diego was just a pup, he was found hiding underneath a police car. That police car was located in the sunny city of San Diego, California, which is how he got the name Diego. Now today, the two of us will be playing to support ocean ecological research, because the better we all understand our ocean environments, the more we can do to protect them for generations to come.
And on your right, we're Team Neptune. Neptune is another rescued sea lion who had a bit of a rough start to life. When he was rescued, he was found with discarded fishing hooks in his flippers. And if you look at your nearest screen, you'll see Neptune's x-rays, which show that he lives to this day with bullet fragments in his head.
How many hours does a sea lion sleep each day?
Alright, let me do some quick math. 1, 2, carry the 11. 3?
Tough start, because sea lions need to sleep the same amount that we do. That's about 8 to 12 hours a day. Great job, Diego. In fact, they are known for hanging out on docks, beaches, and even in our viewing window, looking a bit more like this. Yeah, resting, relaxing, soaking up the sun. But don't let these guys fool you, because no matter how good they look taking a nap, they are incredibly active animals. In fact, it takes them hours and sometimes even days to hunt for all the food they need to eat, so when they do come back to shore, they get a nice long nap. Somewhere, because